I was raised in a machine shop. My grandfather started in the late 60s and passed it along to his 3 sons. My dad chose to retire, and I left the family business then and went out on my own. It was just me and 1 machine, and we've since grown to 13 employees and 13 or 14 CNC machines.
The standard workflow was quoting, and then if we want a job, I had to put all the parts and everything into the system, kind of start from scratch. The job traveler would get printed for the guys on a piece of paper. They had to be told what to do every day. A lot of time was spent asking questions on the jobs.
When I first got here, we did use the JobBoss. It was not that user-friendly, a lot of paperwork for it. We'd have to have the router sheet, the print, setup sheet, process sheet, all inside of one packet, and we'd have to leaf through it.
The one feature that ultimately caught my eye about StartProto was the ability to attach a picture to a part, because in most normal ERP systems, it's all stored by a part number or a description alone. After dealing with hundreds or thousands of parts, it becomes confusing and hard to remember.
With the StartProto, we're able to go ahead and put all documentation in on one file. No paper trail on it, and the operator can pull up whatever he wants.
If you could duplicate your best workers, you wouldn't have a problem. One of the operators actually came up to me. He's like, okay, if I can explain this to you, then anybody can do it. The program really allows for everybody to be somewhat on the same playing field. It's a foolproof system now where anybody could almost run any job.
We can set up times on there. We can see how long it takes to set up on it, production runs, parts per day, parts per hour. We can go ahead and put all that in there, and that gives us better for quoting jobs on the next time around.
The look alone is just very updated. Like, the flow is nice, it's bright, and it's just not as clunky as the software. And then everything is connected. I can go into a job and see the part that's on the job. I can see whether or not it's completed, it's been shipped, if it's been invoiced, and if it's been paid, all one screen, a couple of tabs. So it's helpful for the operators, but it's also helpful for us in the office because everybody can see all sides of the job and it's not separate. I would say 25% things are flowing more smoothly since I started.
I say to my shop manager all the time, I want it to be where when I walk into work, it doesn't feel like I'm in a tornado every day. Because it can feel like that. I'd like to get it to the point to where I can step away, enjoy time with my kids, or me be able to spend time with training new employees is what I really enjoy doing. And that can only happen with more stability and consistent, processes that are being developed.